Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So first of all, Eid Mubarak because today is Eid day one of Badi Eid Bakra Eid, and last time I vlogged on Eid everybody really enjoyed it, so I thought why not just do it again. So we are actually kind of toning down this Eid because we did had an unfortunate death in our relatives, and also we are in a lockdown over here, so we cannot go out and do the celebrations and things like that. But other than that, I'm going to first things first, show you my dress, get ready, and then I am going to cook some food, some meetha, and do the things around the house. And also, I need to film a couple of videos. So I thought, okay, it's going to be an interesting day, so why not just take you guys along with me? So if you like the video, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and comment down below if you want to add anything, and subscribe to my channel if you have not yet already, because I always ask you for a subscription. Like that's just going to take you a couple of seconds. So now let's just start the video. Hopefully you're going to enjoy and see what does Eid looks like for the expats and for the people living alone, way far apart from the family. So this is the dress I'm wearing today. We bought this kurti from here at Lulu, and I had the matching stuff. So this is going to be the dress for this Badi Eid. तो यहाँ पे ये चल रही है रसमलाई. आई जस्ट रियली वांटेड इट टू बी अ लिटिल बिट थिका, तो ये मैं उसको जो है वो थोड़ा सा थिक कर रही हूँ. और दूसरी साइड मैंने ये आलमंड जो है वो बादाम सोक करके रखे हुए थे, तो इनको आलमंड और पिस्ताशियोज़ को काटूंगी फॉर गार्निशिंग. So over here I'm making yakni. तो चिकन की यहाँ यखनी बन रही है. And I know it's meaty Eid or Bakra Eid, but when you live apart from family and apart from your homeland, this is how your Eid looks like. You make chicken ki yakni on Bakra Eid. Okay, so now I am on my vanity and it's time for the most fun part, which is obviously doing my makeup. So kitchen work is all done, and I know the lighting is a little bit off, but I'm going to do my makeup in this lighting only, because sometimes when you do makeup in this really harsh or really bright lighting and then you go back to your normal lighting, your makeup does look a little bit weird, so I don't really want that. So I've already applied a moisturizer and this primer. I'm going to list the names down below in the description box for anyone who's interested to know what products I'm using. तो ये दोनों काम हो चुके हैं. So now I'm going to start off with the foundation, and I am kind of a person who would do her eyes first and then do the foundation, but I guess today I'm just going to rush through everything, because when you have a baby you just kind of do the makeup for the sake of doing the makeup. So I'm actually going for a soft glam kind of a look, but I'm not really sure how it will turn out, so just stick around and see. Let me just blend my foundation all throughout and then I'll come back. अच्छा, मैंने ऑलरेडी थोड़ी सी फाउंडेशन लगा ली है. मैं फाउंडेशन बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं अप्लाई करती बिकॉज आई डोंट रियली लाइक दैट वॉश्ड ऑफ लुक, but I'm going to do a little bit of contouring and a little bit something on my eyes. So I've already used a very neutral color on my eyelids just to give it like a base for my eye makeup. And I was kind of thinking about going in with a little bit of shimmer, but then I thought, what, shimmer is just a lot overrated, let's just go for a more neutral look. But then I thought about, what, shimmer is like a quick way of getting yourself glammed up. So I'm going to go in with a little bit of the color Fairy from the Soft Glam palette, and I'm not going to show you the colors because it's severely damaged, and it breaks my heart to say that, because if you know, you'll know that this is a really expensive eyeshadow palette, but the damage has been done and I cannot go back in time to fix it. So I'm like, it's fine. So as I started with burnt orange, it's a very neutrally shade, and then I'm going to go in with a shimmer, and this is going to be extremely daunting for me to film while doing this. So I'm going to use the mirror over here, and you guys just have to see me from a very weird angle. Just bear with me. I might just put it on time lapse to help you out with this. not going for a smoky effect at all, so you don't need to like just apply it a lot. So in most cases I would do this first and then we'll go in with the light color. But makeup is an art, so you can do whatever you want to, however you like it. And with eye makeup, the main thing is to blend. And since we are not going in with a full glammed or dolled up or a party kind of a makeup, I think you should keep it, or I should keep it subtle. So this looks a little bit weird right now, but trust me, once I'm done with it, this will pop out. So this is how the makeup turned out and I'm really happy with it. I'm going to link all the products I used down in the description box. But anyways, if you want to see a tutorial, do let me know. And if you want to know more about makeup products, do let me know also in the comments down below. So now I'm going to serve the food, we're going to eat, and then I need to film a video and upload that video because today is a Tuesday and it's Eid over here, but in Pakistan the Eid is going to be tomorrow. So I need to post that video today. I post videos like twice a week on Tuesday and a Saturday, sometimes also on a Thursday. So hopefully I'm going to film a video, edit it and upload it today also. So let's just move on. So this is how everything looks during a lockdown. You can see the roads are all clear, nobody's out, nobody's moving, nobody's going anywhere. Everyone just stuck at their houses even though it's Eid, and this is how the Eid is going over here in Muscat, Oman. So I'm now finally sitting to film a video and I'm just like checking the frame, just taking things out of the frame. I think this is better. So this video is going to be up on how to deal with meat and the mistakes that we generally do while we deal with meat, because it's meaty, this Bakra Eid, so I thought this is going to be a very important video. So I'm going to film that, and by the time you're watching this video, that video is already up on my channel. Matlab, this video that I'm about to film is going to be up on my channel already, so you will find the link up and down as always. So let's just start the video. So I was just wondering and I thought कि I should include this into the video कि अपनों से दूर ईद जो है वो एक बड़ा मुश्किल मरहला हो जाती है, because Eid is basically when you are celebrating it with everyone else, and once you're alone it's just like you, your husband, your kids. It's like, it's kind of okay, but it's not as fun as it usually is when you're back at home with all your siblings and family and in-laws and parents and everyone. But anyways, this is what the life of an expat looks like, and this is how Eid in lockdown looks like literally just stuck at home and cooking and filming and doing house chores 24/7, and that's how the days goes. Okay, so it is almost 4 p.m. and we're done with the lunch and everything. Laptop मैंने charging पे लगा दिया because I need to edit the video that I was filming, you guys saw in this video. तो वो video edit होगी और upload होगी, और उसके बाद कुछ family time होगा. We are probably going to sit and watch a movie or something like that. So that is all for today, and that is it for this Eid vlog. If you want to see a more happening kind of a Eid vlog where we are going out and things, watch the other Eid vlog that I made on Meet Eid. I'm going to link that vlog up and down for you, and all the videos related to that Eid, because we went out for shopping and I shopped for clothes and things, so it's kind of a fun videos to watch. But that is it for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below if you want to add something, share this video among others, if anyone else wants to see how an expat life looks like, living outside in an Arab country. With that, I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care and Eid Mubarak.